Good afternoon, everyone. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Well, the Treasury had a nice day today. The 10-year, nice little bid, 131 even and a half low, and then going up and making a new high for the day at 131.19, closing one tick off of its high today, 131.18. So it's never going to go up. All I've been hearing is that you want to sell Treasuries on any bounce. The trend is lower, they're going down, etc. Well, I got news for you. If you start looking at these weekly charts, you got a falling wedge that's giving you a heads up, and if we start to get above 131.29 and a half, that wedge is going to come into play, and the objective is a new high for the contract, a 134.02 trade. Also, if you pay attention to last week, we had a lower low with a higher high and a higher close. That's a weekly outside range reversal, which is a bullish formation. You also have a bullish engulfment where the body of last week engulfed the previous week's body as well. Another bullish formation. So the market's telling you to be cautious of the current trend, and you're looking for some kind of pause in the trend, looking for higher highs. So the objective off of last week's trade is a 131.29 and actually, excuse me, 131.30 trade. So if we start to get up there tomorrow, 131.30 would meet the objective off of that reversal pattern, but you still have this wedge to pay attention to, and if we start to hold above there, wedges can be a fast and furious type of trade. And another note is a reversal pattern is possibly a trend change. It's not for certain, but it is possible. So you may be looking for a trend change in the Treasuries. We have a weekly reversal in the bonds also. So you're looking for a higher high from previous week in the bonds, which is, I don't even know, 144.07 trade. So that's up there as well. We do have expiration and some options tomorrow in the Treasuries. You can pick up the February 132 calls for 1 basis point, which is little over $15 for a one lot. So I think it's a cheap upside play if you actually thought the market could move, but it's probably a waste of money. But I've seen if we don't get a whole lot of data tomorrow, but the market usually can move on days where you don't have a lot of data. We do get the industrial production CAPU, and you get some kind of revision to PPI. So it'll be worth taking a note and looking at that. We did see the March 132 calls trade for good size today. Sevens were bought 23,000 times. The overall volume in that contract today was, I believe, around 30,000. And then previous session, we saw a good size seller in those calls at 5 basis points. So you do have the mixed opinion about where this market's going. But for the most part, I don't think anybody's long right now. They're sitting on the sidelines waiting to sell rallies. I think they're going to get their chance. So be patient if you want to sell a rally. That's it for today. Have a nice evening. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Thank you.